guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're vlogging. My week has been fucking stressful. Stressful. I don't mean to curse. My name is Naomi. If you're seeing me for the first time, welcome to my channel. I'm a YouTuber based in Nigeria. I do both YouTube vlogs, makeup tutorial, lifestyle, and a little bit here and there kind of videos. So I had posted on our community page that I'll be uploading videos on this channel every Wednesdays and Sundays, and after our last video that went up on Wednesday, in case if you haven't seen that video, I'm going to link it up here for you guys to check it out, or here there's going to be a link, it'll pop on. So I haven't actually had the time to sit down and film a video, not like I didn't know what to film, and yeah, so I'm going to be doing a work vlog today, and I've posted about 2 work vlogs on this channel. I don't think you guys like it that much because the views are kind of laid back a bit, so I don't know if this video might even go up today, but this is my life and basically a day in the life of a makeup artist. And if you're a makeup artist right now watching me, give this video a thumbs up. If you love makeup artists and you think our job is so important and sometimes it's quite draining and stressful, comment down below, let me know. Alright, and yeah, so it's just going to be a day in my life basically, and I'm taking you guys along with me. I'm about to get ready to go out now. I'm already running late, so the hair cream that I like, and it smells really good. Alright guys, so yesterday I attended a night vigil service, and you know how you're preparing for an all-night service and you're supposed to get some sleep during the day, but every time I know that I have like a night vigil to attend, instead of me to be sleeping, I find myself doing every other thing else except from sleeping. And I just feel like I just want the time to come quick, let me just do and go for service. I don't know if you guys feel like that sometimes, and at the end of the day I go to the service tired. I was legit sleeping yesterday. You guys can see my eyes. I was sleeping while service was going on. Like I caught myself writing, like the sleep was too much, like I couldn't bear it. There was nothing I could do, and I was sitting very close to the front. But luckily for me, no usher came to tap me. My mom was sitting beside me, so I was using style to just lean my head on her shoulder like this and close my eye. When they say hallelujah, I will lift up my hand like this. I was tired, and we just left church. Like I just got home now, not long. Service closed at about 5:30, and so we left church at about 6:30 thereabout, and I got home pretty much after 7. I had to jump into the shower, came out, and my colleague House of Rachel called me and told me there are a few people coming over to do their makeup that had booked an appointment with her, but she's not going to be around, so I have to cover for her. And I have one by 9 o'clock, and it's currently 8:15, and I need to eat because that's the only thing, because I will be standing for the next 2 to 3 4 hours, if not more. Like I can legit stand throughout the day, and I don't want to overwork myself so I don't fall sick next week. Still, my mom, she's making rice for me, so I'm quickly just going to rush that up and maybe take a bottle of water and then request Taxify, because there'll be no time for me to be hustling, to take keke all the way to work. Even with let's do. Oh, yeah. You guys, I've already applied my Zaron skin regenerating hydrating serum. I cleansed my face, of course, then I applied that. So the next thing I want to do is to apply my lip balm. That's it. So this will go straight into my purse. Ready? Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Mom. Yes, my mom is the best. Hot. But I'm thinking I should change my outfit. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this cute black dress. She brought water for me. Like, can your mother ever? This is the dress. I don't know if you guys can see me. It's a bit loose around this area, but I like how it looks at the back. This is my makeup bag. Everything is set. Like I already packed everything that I need in here. So good morning, sir. I'm greeting you. Okay.
Power Plaza.
What?
Power Plaza.
Yes, at 32. Alright guys, so we're on our way to the shop, but he stopped to get some gas. No, your 5 star. I'll give you your 5 star. Yeah. Oh, so we are here, you guys. Hi. How are you? Say hello to my YouTube, you guys. I'm vlogging. Oh, this is Faith and this is Faith. I'm here. Alright, so I'm going to start setting up now to get ready for my clients. So, yeah. Meet Ivy, y'all. She's my first client of the day. She looks so beautiful. I love her face, her facial structure. I was having a difficult time drawing her brows because her brows seemed like it was really short and it was bushy at the same time. I spent a lot of time doing her brows, by the way, because I feel like brows are the first thing people see when they look at you, and if something is wrong with the brows, it's just going to affect every other thing that you do. It doesn't matter whether the skin work is perfect, like nobody really cares as long as your brows are, they look good. They don't have to be perfect. As long as they look alike somehow and they look okay, there's nothing off about them, then the rest part of your makeup is going to turn out great. I mean that's what I think. I love doing brows anyway, so yeah, I spent a long time, not like the whole day but I knew I spent longer than I was supposed to, because first of all, I've never done her makeup before, so I was also trying to understand her skin type and the kind of brows that would suit her. And we arrived with these type of brows. I didn't want to do too much anyway. So her outfit is sort of like peach and gold, and I tried to smoke out her eyes because she has a small eyelid space, and her eyes are not exactly very small, but then her eyelid space not so much. So I decided to just do a small peach smoky. The other lady sitting behind her is my second client. She's already waiting for me, like, Naomi, please hurry up, I have to meet up with my events and stuff like that. So I'm just adding some pigment to her eyes, just to make the eyes pop a little bit. and I did smoke out her under eyes with some black, just a little bit, but this is the look. I hope you guys like it. Give this video a thumbs up if you think we do. And her gele, Faith of course tied her gele for me because I was rushing. I had to do the next person. I had to do her makeup as well. But if you guys want to see how this gele was achieved, please drop a comment below. I would tell Faith to, me and Faith will organize something and record a video for you guys to see it. I told you guys that girl is so good. So this is my second client. As you can see, before we tied the gele, she had to change her outfit, and I told Faith to please tie her gele. So this is Faith tying the second client gele again. I told you guys this girl is so good. Anyway, give this video a thumbs up if you haven't. Please drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts about these work vlogs, if you guys enjoy them, if you want to see more work vlogs on this channel. Okay, so as soon as Faith was done, I proceeded to apply some lip gloss to her lips, so that I, just to finish up the look. She wanted her lips to be a bit glossy, and that's what I'm doing right there. Afterwards, I'm sure she went to go and change into her outfit, but I wasn't around to do a proper video of what she was looking like afterwards. But I also have another job that I'm heading to. It's a home service, so that's where I'm going to right now. Hi guys, so I'm already done with some of the people I was supposed to work with today at the studio, and I'm on my way to meet another client. So yeah, thank you guys. And boom, this is she. There was no time to do any vlog before or after, anything like that. She needed to be out of the house in like 30 minutes. Hi guys, good morning. So I just realized I didn't finish yesterday's vlog. Like there wasn't like a proper outro, so I decided to wake up this morning and quickly just do this outro. And I woke up with a big pimple on my forehead right here. I'm just going to leave it. I'm not going to touch it at all. I'm about to go to church, but I just want to quickly put on my wig and get ready for church. I won't be doing any makeup because I'm already running late and I'm tired as well. Hi. So thank you again. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog, which is going to be next Sunday as well. Hopefully I have more stuff to share with you guys. And don't also forget, a new tutorial will be up by Wednesday. Okay, so you guys check that out. So if you're subscribed, you need to hit the bell beside the subscribe button so that you get notification, every time we upload a new video. Alright, thank you so much, you guys. I love y'all, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay blessed. Bye. Mwah.